So this car behind us is my new, to me, 2005 R52 Mini Cooper S. And in today's job, or today's first thing we've got to do is sort this roof out where it's open on the passenger side. Been watching some videos, so we'll get cracking on that. So the first thing we need to do is relieve some of the tension on the roof, and we've got these little levers which Henry's about to open. Lift one up, lift the other one up, and then that just allows the roof to come up a little bit. And my understanding is behind here somewhere there is a panel that you undo a screw and it takes the tension out of the roof. So I'm going to get this panel off and see if we can find it. So we've removed that panel, and this little gold screw here, Henry's just gone and undone it by 1.5 turns, and that is now allowing a bit of movement in this roof. So we have a bit of progress. I'm going to drop the windows and then we can start seeing if we can work out what's going on up here. Okay, so what's going on with this roof then? This is the right hand side, which is working. If we look at this mechanism here, it sort of sits on that little divot. These two little lines sit below here. If we come across to this side, you can see that this arm, this divot, is not sat on that divot there. These two little lines are sitting above here, so this lot has jumped. Now when I bought the car, I was given this little piece of plastic and was told that this had possibly popped out. So the question is, how can we get access to resolve this? And Henry is gonna give it a go. So I've just gone through taking this motor out. The panel that kind of covers it was a little bit difficult to get off, but with a couple of proper plastic pry bars it came off. The motor's got 3 screws that hold it on. There's this electrical connector as well. After getting the motor unscrewed, we managed to get it full coming out of the gear drive here. But as you can see, motor is out. Still no movement on the entire roof yet, so try and work out how to get a little bit of movement in this roof, and I wonder if I can just pop this rail back in. We'll keep working on it, see if we can get some flex. We've got progress, haven't we?
Yeah.
We have managed to get the roof open. I'm hoping having the roof open allows enough flex to bring that runner back in on this side. So we've used the manual unlocking mechanism here. So I'm hoping now we've got enough flex in everything. Maybe we may need a bit more to come off, but with a bit of luck there's enough flex that we can pop that back below where it should be. So behind me is the Mini Convertible that we're trying to get working again, and we've had to put a cover over it. It's been a few days because we've had some rain showers, and with the roof in the state it was in, I couldn't leave it uncovered. But that has given me time to keep watching and re-watching the videos that are online about these roofs and learn, and we can take a slightly different way of attack. The other thing I want to do is just say a quick thank you. I've noticed that we've also hit over 100 subscribers now, and that feels great news, so
thank you.
Thank you very much. Right, let's go through, uncover this and crack on and go through the plan of attack. So the plan of attack, which is slightly different, I've been focusing on trying to get this runner back down and running in this channel. But the problem is here, I think it's hooking in. and it's just slightly too big, so it actually hooks and locks in. However, watching the videos, my understanding is we can undo a couple of screws, this end cap will come off, and then the runner can slide out the end. That'll then give me access to the back, so I can glue a little bit of plastic back on. This little bit of plastic can be glued back on with, I'm thinking, araldite or something like that. Then slide the runner back in, and hopefully that's the roof all fixed. So we're going to get cracking with that. So what I've decided to do is put the motor back in, because I can use this to control the cables on the front sunroof. So Henry is just going through, and doesn't need to be tight, but just putting the screws back in for me. Henry got impatient and really wanted to take the sticker off, and the puppy. Go on, squeeze, big squeeze. That is a big. There you go. Right, now you can just pull the poppy off. There you go. Job. Well done. So I've been struggling with this a little bit. I thought things were a little bit odd, but what I've noticed is there's this little safety catch right here. When I push that safety catch up, I can actually move the roof back, which might give me enough room to get this end piece off, which I've been trying to do, to realign that and re-glue the thing on. It's a bit difficult to do it recorded one-handed, but let me give it a go. Progress. We managed to move this back, which has revealed 2 screws here, 1 and 2, which are what's holding this end plate on, which will then mean I can slide this forward again. But interestingly, this is not moving on the cable, so I suspect I need the cable itself. So Henry's here, just taking the 2 bolts that hold this cross panel on to the roof so that we can take it off and pop the mechanism out. So we've got 2 bolts this side, same 2 on the other side, and we'll get it all done. Okay, we're now on the last bolt. I've got all 4 bolts. Now you should be able to, I'll take that. Now you should be able to just lift that panel up and off the car. Oh, do you want to hold that? And I'll see if I can work out how this comes up then. Now on to the next bit. Alright, so with the crossbar off, I've moved the slider mechanism, and it looks as though it's snapped across here, across the bottom. So that's possibly a whole new cable mechanism piece that's required. Unless I can get this bit out, I don't think we can araldite it back together. I don't think araldite's going to be strong enough for that piece. So that's just got a lot more expensive than I was hoping for. Can you pass me the camera? So if we have a look down, I don't know if my camera can get to it. Basically the sliding mechanism is still in here, which is in line with the other one, which suggests that the cables are okay. It's just snapped the entire mechanism. Time for an eBay job, I think. So I think that's where this video is probably going to end. The fact that this has completely snapped off the runners. The cable, annoyingly, the cable's still fine. I can see the runner up there when I operate the roof mechanism. It's going back and forth, so the cable itself is fine. It's just the runner on the end. I'll have a look on eBay, see if I can get hold of one of them. There's no point in going further forward until I've got this sorted, because being a soft top, the whole value of the car is within the fact that you can drop the roof. So I'll wrap it up. I will go shopping, see what I can find, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. All the subscribers and the comments, even comments of encouragement and advice, is all appreciated. So thank you very much, and yeah, we will see you in the next one.